Hey, if you are using the voice typing on the POCO X8 Pro and it is not working, well, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, as you can see, we have to open the settings. Now we have to go below into the additional settings. Right now go to the languages and input and go into the manage keyboards. Make sure that you are gonna enable the Google Voice typing, but also that you have download this for the offline speech. So the voice typing is not working when you are offline, so when you are not connected to the mobile data or Wi-Fi. So if you want to use it offline sometimes and make notes, for example, you have to download your language that you are gonna use. That's a very important thing. Now here, before you start using it, just make sure that your language is available. Like in my case, if you can see, I've got English from United States and the United Kingdom. And also you have to set your default language. So for me, English from United States and but also from the United Kingdom, and you have to mark the primary language. Now, what you have to do is just to go for a Gboard, then you have to select the default language. So in this case, I have to use the same one like my main voice typing, so it will be English from United States instead. Oh, wait a minute, where it is? Did I miss it? I believe I have to input English. There we go, and I have to go for the United States. I have to get this one. I have to click done. Now I have to put this one to the first, this one to the second. Now we have to go into the voice typing, and also we have to make sure that it will be turned on. And right now, take a look, if I try to use the voice typing one more time, for example, to make some notes, let's see if it's gonna work. Hello, 1 2 3 1 2 3. As you can see right now, it's working properly because I just turned on the offline typing, but also I'm currently connected into the Wi-Fi network. Something that I wasn't have when I was using this for the first time on this video.